Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you calculate delivery time in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Now you should wait until the app loads in. Once that is done and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and you will find there the more option. Press on it. And in this page you should scroll down a little bit and you can see here the popular links section, and you will see the first option there, which is calculate postage and delivery times. Press on it, and after the new page loads in, you can just select where you want to calculate the delivery time, so within Australia or overseas. And after that, all you have to do is just enter a suburb or a postcode, and once again enter a suburb or a postcode. So you have to enter the from and to location basically. And after that, all you have to do is just press go down below, and it will calculate basically the delivery time. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.